BaltFab is an open access facility with tools and expertise in emerging micro-nano fabrication techniques. Our competences vary from photonics and light manipulation to biomaterials and nanobiotechnology. We combine them in a creative and innovative way to develop new processes and new materials. Laser physicists, theoreticians, cell biologists, specialists in electro or organic chemistry, and biophysicists are all gathered under one roof. We operate 7 laser micro-machining stations with nanosecond, picosecond, and femtosecond lasers, and regularly perform laser microfabrication tests on customer samples, such as glass, metals, plastics, paper, organic films, or even on biomaterials in aqueous media. Using the results, we design processes and provide critical equipment parameters for our customers. Our extensive knowledge in photonic simulation constantly evolves new concepts in the field of plasmonics. BaltFab also performs contract R&D research to test new laser systems, components, optics, and machining processes for industrial customers. 3 modern deposition techniques are in operation at the Laboratory of Optical Coatings for the development of bandpass filters, anti-reflective and highly reflective surfaces for all laser wavelengths on any substrates, while the Fiber Lab creates complete fiber laser systems. BaltFab pushes the limits of laser technology towards innovative nanostructuring approaches and combines them with ongoing research on molecular nanomaterials, biocompatible surfaces, and biochips. Microcontact and inkjet printing, colloidal and dip pen nanolithographies are employed to structure the functionalized surfaces down to tens of nanometers. We offer custom organic synthesis for advanced surface chemistries, silanes and thiols for self-assembled monolayers, synthetic and protein-based hydrogels. We also design molecular surfaces to control properties such as hydrophobicity, chemical reactivity, protein or cell resistance, and specific anchoring of functionally active proteins. Cell chips are routinely prepared for our partners for cell manipulation and analysis. Physicochemical characteristics, patterning quality, and functional activity of fabricated surfaces are analyzed with imaging techniques such as interferometric microscopy, imaging ellipsometry, imaging surface plasmon resonance, and electron microscopy. The atomic force microscopy cluster has 3 units for analysis in air and in liquids, while working simultaneously with fluorescence imaging and electrochemistry. We also carry out custom design and development of scanning probe instrumentation for specific applications. Our multidisciplinary team is ready to investigate the synergies between unconventional fabrication methods and to explore possible innovations. BaltFab is always open for technology consulting, training, and education.